It's a major problem for home builders, but now there is a software that shows exactly what a home will look like before it's built.
You can find new clothes or customize a new car online. But if you're in the market for a new home, you have to drive to the home builder to get the process started.
This is our fourth show home today. We've been driving since this morning.
We brought these to compare upgrades. We still don't really know what they actually look like.
But now, a company called ResVR has developed a software that brings the home buying experience into the digital age. So buyers like Daniel and Sophia can browse online 24/7 directly on a home builder's website. And it's great for home builders too. Home builders gain insight into the sales process and can track exactly what buyers are interested in, including what options are trending up or down. Home builders can engage with their customers 24 hours a day, and home buyers enjoy the convenience of an interactive online experience, allowing them to customize their dream home with comfort, performance, and quality, all without compromise.
I really wish we had this when we were building a house.
Exactly. Totally standard where I'm from. Nice to see humans catching up.